Divya Dawlat here, back again with one more recipe. Today I'm going to teach you how to make cabbage and brinjal pachadi or cabbage and brinjal chutney. I guess most of you would have tried, but those who don't know, this is more for the beginners or for those who never tried something different. So let's try cabbage and brinjal pachadi or chutney as we call. So it's very healthy, and those who don't like cabbage or brinjal, when it is grounded into paste like this, like in a chutney form, I bet you will love to eat. This goes well with hot rice as well as with chapati, rotis or anything. This is really tasty and yummy. So let's go ahead with the ingredients and the procedure to do. So here we go. As well as this pachadi can stay for 2 days, max 2 to 3 days in the fridge. So I would prefer to eat on the same day fresh. If not, you can keep it for a day or two. Still it will be good. So let's try. These are the ingredients for today's pachadi or chutney. So we are having some cabbage, some brinjal. I have soaked the brinjal in the water so that it doesn't change its color. Then some onions, tomatoes, red chilies, both the types of the varieties of the red chilies, little ginger, little garlic. So let's go and fry them. So first I'll fry the garlic, ginger, onions, tomatoes, red chilies, and then I will start frying the cabbage and brinjal. I'll get back to you again. So I have fried in little oil all the items, and now all is ready to go for the grind. So I've just cooled it little and I'm going to grind it now. No water, nothing. If you feel you require some water, then just put a tablespoon of water. That much is enough and you can start grinding it. Now it's grounded. As I told you, for the coarse paste you can add 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons, but if you want little medium consistency, use little more water. So based on the consistency you can just add the water. Again, one more thing is that I have not added tamarind in this. Tamarind is optional. If you're using tomatoes, then you can skip tamarind, or if you want more sour, you can put tamarinds also. It's up to you. The taste is just according to you. I have used red chilies. You can use green chilies or red chilies. So that's also based on your taste. So very little oil. I fried all the ingredients one by one together in the same pan, and then I've grounded into a paste. On this I'll be pouring the tadka. I'll be pouring the hot tadka. So the tadka consists of little oil, mustard seeds, jeera, hing, red chilies, curry leaves, chopped garlic, little urad dal, and here goes the tadka. I generally add little more oil extra for my pachadis. Why? Because the pachadi tastes very nicely if you add little more extra oil. So let's mix my finished cabbage brinjal pachadi. So as I said, little oil is okay because generally I use very less oil in cooking. So when I make these pachadis, the taste is enhanced only by oil. So I like putting oil. You can even put the tadka in coconut oil or gingerly oil. It will give you another different taste. So here is this. Believe me friends, this is really yummy chutney. Please do try out and let me know. Once again, so please share, subscribe and like our channel. So happy cooking, Divya DS. Bye bye.